Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. And here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reveals, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us with the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for returning supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited. Today's video we're going to be try on some new products from Dr. Dennis Gross, and I love their products. You guys know I use a lot of products from them on this channel. One of my favorite all-time from them that I use all the time definitely is this one. I use these like, you know, at least 3 times a week, morning, evening, to have a fabulous clear skin. This is an extra strength daily peel. This, you know, helps you to get rid of fine lines, uneven skin tone, dark spot, all the age stuff that we don't want. This is fabulous. So it's one of my go-to favorites all time. So the first product we're going to be checking out here, and as I show you guys and talk to you guys about the product, I'm gonna put a little video on my side, show you guys how I use the product. Love them. And if you want to try any product from Dr. Dennis Gross, the link is going to be on the description of this video. They are dermatologists, so if you have the most fabulous skincare product out there, if you have acne, if you have different skin problem, they have it. They can get you covered, okay? Links on the description of this video. And I'd like to say thank you so much to Dennis Gross. I love you guys, I love your team for sending me these beauties here. So this is super cool. I waited to unbox with you guys because I want to give you guys the experience of opening the package and everything, alright? And then I'm going to show you guys here how I use this. So show your lips some love. Collagen building LED. What, girl? This is a little collagen building LED device special for our lips. I'm so shocked with this. Look at this beauty here. So this is the device right here we're going to be trying, and they sweet enough to send me a little note. Love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch, right? So here is the device right here. It took me a little bit to film and post the video, I'm so sorry, but I finally got to. So this is what it is. It is LipWare Pro, okay, FDA cleared LED device that helps boost collagen, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, helps improve the circulation. Girl, stop it. So you know, if you have like little lines around your lips, girl, this is for you. So let me open to show you guys. Alright, so right off the bat I have this little user guide or manual here. Show you guys how the thing works, which is cool. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, they are so nice. They sent me 2 of them. Thank you. I don't know if it was on purpose, it was by accident. Either way, thank you. And I gave one to my daughter. It was really nice to be able to get something that I like it, I want to keep it, and then give one to her, you know, because most of the time she wants to steal everything from me. But I share too. So that's a little bit science behind the device, how it works. Now this is pretty cool. It's supposed to, the LED light penetrate into your skin around your mouth and deliver deep light treatment into the deep layer of the skin to help tone your lips. So that's pretty easy to use. You have a little button here that's gonna on and off, and they look like a little teeth brightening thing that you just put in your mouth like this. So the device is actually outside, so it's not like stick all the way into your mouth like this. So this is pretty cool. Love it. The device, if you guys want to treat around your lip, this is definitely the way to go. Very, very, very nice. This is a little bag where you can store your device. You can clean before you store, but for now I'm just show you guys how you store. And that's super. So that should help, you know, build up collagen around your lips. So if you have like a fine lines around your lips or sinky lips, that's gonna help you. So I'm looking forward to keep using that and see some results, and then come back and tell you guys more about it, because I just started using, so I cannot tell you guys more. But I hope to have good news for you guys coming soon. And the one or more product that I got from Dance Girls for this haul is going to be these replace your lip filler. I like that because it hurts as hell. Last time I did lip filler was like 2 years ago, but I have a big mouth. I had a big mouth natural, like my mouth, it is this size natural. So 2 years ago was the last time that I got a little bit of fillers, and they still lasting me. You know, normally it doesn't last that long, but thank God for big lips. So this is a 3D visible plump and repair lip product. So I just want to show you guys how the box comes. Plump and repair lip treatments. 100% show immediately plumpness. 100% say they felt more hydrated. 80% would replace the lip filler. Results from 3 days from 25 participants. 3 days? Alright, we'll put it to the test. Let's see. 2 times the volume, plump, define, and repair. Here we have the product right here. This is the new product. What it is, your go-to daily lip addition for a supple, smoother, more volumized lip. With 3D lip volumizer, immediately plumps while restoring the lip's natural moisture barrier for visible, full and hydrated, young-looking lips. It's in for you. Clinically proven, the formula plumps with 4 molecular weight of hyaluronic acid and a volumizing complex of peptides while harnessing the restorative power of iscaline, visible, and the centinella asiatica for fuller, healthier looking lips. An alternative for cosmetic fillers that fast working balsamic instantaneous plumps, visible restore and prevent chapped dehydrated lips over time. Apple first use started with 1 click and increase as skin gets acclimate. Okay, 1 to 2 times. 1 to 2 times. Apply direct to your lips. Stay inside the natural lip borders. It's common to feel slightly tingle after first application. Okay, pro tip before applying. So you should use this before you're using the lip thing. Alright, so let's see if we're gonna replace our lip filler. So that's what it looks like. Very nice. I don't want to use now because I have a lipstick and lip gloss on, so I'm gonna save for use later because I don't want to waste. Alright, but when I be using, I'm gonna put a little video here on the side to show you guys. And I see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, Dance Girls, for sending me this beautiful try. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys a bunch. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I see you guys next video. And the link for Dr. Dance Girls is gonna be on the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. I see you next video. Bye.